The OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 Pro smartphone are going to announce 14 May, and the company is typically fashion has revealed a few key details of device before the launch take place. We know that OnePlus 7 Pro will have a pop-up selfie camera, a triple camera system, a notch-less display and 3x optical zoom. But now the floodgate have opened, and now we have the entire spec sheet of not just the OnePlus 7 Pro but the OnePlus 7 as well. Let's start with the display. As per OnLeaks, the elegant spec sheet of OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro, the OnePlus 7 comes with 6.2-inch Full HD Plus display with AMOLED 60Hz display, and the OnePlus 7 Pro comes with 6.64-inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED display with 19Hz. So in terms of processor, the OnePlus 7 comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 855. The OnePlus 7 Pro also comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 855. On the RAM, the OnePlus 7 also comes with 6GB RAM, and the OnePlus 7 Pro comes with 10GB RAM. In terms of operating system, the OnePlus 7 Android 9.0 with Oxygen OS, and the OnePlus 7 Pro also comes with Android 9.0 Oxygen OS. Okay, let's talk about the camera department on OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro. On the OnePlus 7, you get two rear camera on the back with 48 megapixel primary sensor, and there's a telephoto sensor. On the OnePlus 7 Pro also comes with 48 megapixel primary sensor with IMX586, and there is second sensor with comes with telephoto sensor, and the third sensor is ultra wide sensor. On the front there is a above display, that means the smartphone comes with water drop display, and the OnePlus 7 Pro comes with pop-up selfie camera. Okay, in terms of battery, the OnePlus 7 comes with 4150 mAh battery, and the OnePlus 7 Pro comes with 4000 mAh battery. Both smartphones come with USB Type-C and 30-volt VOOP charging, and both smartphones also come with optical in-display fingerprint sensor. In terms of dimension, the OnePlus 7 comes with 157.7 into 74.8 into 8.1 mm, and the OnePlus 7 Pro comes with 162.6 into 76 into 8.8 mm. That means the OnePlus 7 Pro little bit larger. So that's all guys. If you like this video, press the like button. Let me know your thought in the comment section. I will catch you in next video. Till then, goodbye.